Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas number 3. Oh my god, that was so weird. Welcome to Vlogmas number 3. And for today, I have family coming up and I thought I would make everyone a nice warm bowl of chili. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my homemade chili. Okay, so I have a nice big pan here and I just have the heating on quite low just now. And then I'm going to add some oil. And I'm just gonna let that heat up, just like baste my pan with it, and then I will be adding the mince. So I'm using beef, and this is the 5% fat stuff. So I'm gonna use the whole pack because we do have a lot of family coming. And then I have my chili sauce, my red kidney beans, and then I'm just gonna go and start chopping up all my veg and my peppers, my onions. I have a couple of mushrooms left over, so I'm just gonna throw them in as well. And I'll leave that heating up while I do some chopping. Okay guys, seriously, like I am not a cook at all. I'm actually a really bad wife in the kitchen. Nice. But I am getting so much better. And chili is actually one of the dishes I ain't so bad at. Okay, so that's my mince meat in, and then I normally just cut it up. Oh my god, I'm using my left hand because I'm filming. So I'm just gonna chop this up, and then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Video today? I'm just doing a video about how I make the chili. What's that? What's that?
Mommy.
What?
Something went wrong.
Oh, did it go inside out?
Yeah. I don't know how.
That's why I made you a little hook so you could open it and close it.
But I don't know how to close it.
You just like pop it in gently. Okay? Get it? Assistant.
I'm a lady, you know.
You're the lady? Why are you the lady?
Because I'm in bunny top.
And what are we making?
So,
I did show them your nails. Christmassy! Did you get stickers as well?
wait, I need a close up it.
Honey, you loved getting your nails done. You're mommy's little friend.
I can eat some.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so that's all the veg chopped up. The onions and the peppers. The mince is nice and brown. Oh my god, I love fire bit!
Mom, you're not fire.
I did! I got a little bit of fire. Oh my god. Right, fun. Like I said, I am not a very good cook. Okay, can I get the veg? And then I like to add the veg in. Sometimes Stuart just puts it straight in the pan with the sauce, but I like to cook it a little bit first because I don't like the peppers being hard. What do you think?
I think it looks yummy.
Yeah? You're gonna have some.
But yeah, because I love chili.
Who's coming today? Who's visiting us today? We're gonna visit from Great Grandpa? Laura, Nicole? Yeah. You're gonna show them your nails?
A bit of carrot.
A bit of carrot. Oh no, we don't even have carrot in the recipe. Okay, so we've added some red kidney beans with the juice. And we're just gonna let that simmer. And tap. What now?
I need to get it down.
And then I've got some jalapenos, which I'm gonna add to the mixture for people that want something a little bit more spicy. I love jalapenos in my chili. Do you?
Yeah.
You don't like jalapenos!
Yeah.
So that's the jalapenos in. So I use about this many, I don't know how many, and I put some of the juice in it too for extra flavor. Yum. I forgot to take a photo of the chili. It's all gone. We had it all. Hey Nicole, welcome to
Hi.
Vlogmas.
I'm in.
So we're going to the Christmas market now.
To get some
Oh my god.
To go on some bike.
Are you at that stage of time Did we come to the Christmas market?
Yeah.
Did you eat a candy cane?
Yeah.
Where's Mommy Elf? And where's Baby Elf? Baby Elf, doo doo doo, Baby Elf, doo doo doo. Hey, Baby Elf. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I know it was all over the place, but it's Christmas, and that's what Christmas is all about.